Hello student, good morning. Today we will do few more questions on inverse trigonometric function that from that chapter and mostly the questions are from your textbook. তোমালোকৰ textbookৰ পৰা মই আৰু কেইটামান questions কৰি আছো হা এটা চোৱা first question is solve the following equations or find the value of x. Solve the following equations means similar with the find the value of x. বুজিটো পাইছে তোমালোকে x ৰ ভ্যালু উলিওৱা আৰু x ৰ ভ্যালু উলিওৱাটোকে আমি solve the equation বুলি কওঁ আৰু যেহেতু এটা trigonometry আছে so trigonometric equations you have to solve. So you see your first question. 2 tan inverse of cos x equal to tan inverse of twice cosec x. Since you have to find out the value of x or you have to solve it, so both the side you have to consider together. একেলগে দুইটা সাইড লৈ পেলে proceed কৰিব লাগিব হয় নে নহয় আমি সমাধান কৰোতে তেনেকে কৰো এটা কি কৰিবা first you see the question properly, then you see on the right side you have tan inverse, on the left side you have 2 tan inverse. Then you know that you can convert 2 tan inverse in terms of tan inverse. Actually 2 tan inverse can be converted in terms of sin inverse, cos inverse and tan inverse. Properly you can select a formula. Which one will help you here? Yes, if you convert 2 tan inverse in terms of tan inverse, then that will help you. So hope you remember what is the formula of 2 tan inverse. What is the formula? 2 tan inverse of x equal to what? Tan inverse of twice x divided by 1 minus x square. So let us use it here. And hope you understand why I convert in terms of tan inverse. Kyo korisu buji paisa sage right hand side tumalikor tan inverse ase he karone jodi moi left to tan inverse law tetia moi ki koba parim both side to compare koribo parim. So tan inverse mane ki hobo twice x. So your x is cos x, 2 cos x minus 1 minus x square. So 1 minus your x is cos x, so 1 minus cos square x. Keep the right side as it is. Okay, then do the simplification. Tan inverse 2 cos x. What is the value of 1 minus cos square x? Yes, it is equal to sin square x. This is equal to tan inverse of twice cosec x. You don't have to do any simplification here. Now you just see I remove this tan inverse from both sides. Then comparing will have what? 2 cos x by sin square x equal to twice cosec x. Then I just do cross multiplication. And before that, since 2 is not equal to 0, so dividing both sides by 2, we can cancel 2. Okay? Then we have what? Cos x equal to sin square x into cosec x. And this is obtained by cross multiplication. After that, you see, this contains 3 different trigonometric ratios. So, it is possible to convert cosec in terms of what? Sin. So, I have written cosec x equal to 1 by sin x. Again, cross multiply. Don't cut it. Why you see? Because sin x may be equal to 0. So, if it is 0, 0 by 0 is undefined. So, since it's a variable, so we cannot cut this one. Okay? So, cancel it. But here you see 2 is not equal to 0. It's a constant. We know it that this is not equal to 0. That's why we can cancel it. Tumalke 2 to cancel korisila karon 0 er saman nohoy. কিন্তু sin x to tumalkor sin x er value 0 hobo pare ne nai. But 0 hole ki hobo tumalkor function to define 0 by 0 to undefined hoi jabo. He karone ami ate sin x to cancel nokoru. Cancel nokori ami ki korisu cross multiply kori disu. So we get it sin x into cos x equal to sin square x. If I bring this to the left side, your aim, remember your aim. Your aim is to solve it for x. You have to find out for value of x. So sin x taking common, we'll have what? Cos x minus sin x. Okay. After this is the product of two functions. So product of two functions 0 gives you what? Either the first one equal to 0 or the second one equal to 0. First one equal to 0 gives you sin x equal to 0 or cos x minus sin x equal to 0. This is the general solution. You know how to solve it. You may convert it in terms of tan or in terms of cot. Better to convert in terms of tan. Hani no hoy tan ba cot convert koribo para. Enikwa question tumalke 11 solve korisila. General equation or jitu chapter ase last exercise asile tate. Sin x equal to ki hol cos x. So sin x ok ami tan ole convert koribo disu. So he karone ami ki korisu both side you divide it by cos x, that gives you 1. That give you tan x equal to 1. Here I am writing the standard value, not the general value. So tan is 1 when it is pi by 4. So x equal to we have got pi by 4. Now we see we have got two values of x. But when you get the values of x in case of solution, You just put the value in your given equation and verify whether it satisfies or not. I'm just putting here x equal to 0 in the given solution. You can show the calculation or otherwise directly also you can do. 2 tan inverse of cos x. If I put x equal to 0, it becomes cos 0. What is the value of cos 0? It's 1. Right? 2 tan inverse of 1. That is equal to tan inverse 1 is pi by 4. So 2 pi by 4 is pi by 2. Put it here. What you'll have? This is what? 2 cos x 0. Cos x 0 is equal to what? Infinity. Sine is infinity. Right? So here, that's why I'm just putting here. Putting the values we have verified and then we see that x equal to pi by 4. Hobo. Eta tumalokor ami aru eta dhoroner solve korisu. To see the next question. Tan inverse of 1 minus x by 1 plus x equal to half tan inverse of x. So here, you see both the side contain tan inverse, but 1/2 is there. This half create problem, is not it? That's why if I bring this half to the left side, it become 2 tan inverse of 1 minus x by 1 plus x equal to tan inverse of x. Okay, then here as the previous one, it is in the form of 2 tan inverse of x form. So formula can be applied where x is 1 minus x by 1 plus x. Tumalikor etu 2 tan inverse x or formula pori goise. Aru tetia tumi 2 tan inverse or formula ki asile? Tan inverse twice x by 1 minus x square. Jot tumar x mane hoise ekhini. Gotike ami palo 2 x mane ekhini palu 1 minus x square ekhini paisu. Or on the right side you have tan inverse, so you can compare, and comparing will have this one is equal to x. Let us do. So I have written here, and simplification step also I had done. Then do the simplification, take LCM and do the product. This one is what? 2 into 1 minus x by 1 plus x. Then I just keep the reciprocal here. It is in the numerator and this is in the denominator. Simplify, this is equal to x. On simplification, this is cancel out. 2 1 minus x, here 1 plus x will be left. On this side we have 4x. Then you cross multiply. This is simple algebraic equation now because trigonometry is removed. Then here you compare, and comparing will have here two values of x. X square equal to 1 by 3, that is x equal to plus minus 1 by 3. Again verifying, we just put plus root 3 and 1 by plus root 3 and 1 by minus root 3. We see that 1 by root 3 satisfy the equation. Therefore x equal to 1 by root 3 is the solution. Got it? So you see, in the case of solve the questions of the form solve or find a value, you proceed both the side together. One more question. Sine inverse of 1 by 5 plus cos inverse of x equal to 1. Here it's a little bit different, or the question may be set as find the value of x. Okay, in your book the question is given as find the value of x. Similar as I told you earlier. Now you see, here it is difficult for us to simplify, but if I bring sine to the right side, it becomes sine inverse of 1. And 1 is a standard value of sine. When we will have sine inverse of 1, value is 1, pi by 2. So if I bring this to the right side, it becomes sine inverse of 1. And keeping the left side as it is, sine inverse of 1 value ketia hoy, sine of value 1, pi by 2 hoy. Our sine of sine inverse of x use korile to pi golo ami pi by 2. Now you see, this is sine inverse x and cos inverse x. This is pi by 2. We know a relation between sine inverse x and cos inverse x. Amar inverse trigonometry eta relation paisilu nohoy, etu moi likhi dekhaisu swa. Sine inverse x plus cos inverse x equal to pi by 2. Jodi moi pi by 2 logot sine inverse x to loi jao, teta cos inverse x hoi jay. Hoy ne nohoy? Eta ami sine inverse x to janu, he karone ami ki korilu, you bring to this right side. It become, this is the form. Pi by 2 minus sine inverse of x, which give you cos inverse of x. X means 1 by 5, so this give you cos inverse of 1 by 2. And then both the sides are cos inverse, so the value of x equal to, comparing, get it half. Okay? Now see the next question. This is also from your textbook. Sine inverse of 1 minus x minus 2 sine inverse of x equal to pi by 2. This is similar with the last question, but if you bring it to the right side, অকমান একে ধৰণৰ দেখাত লাগিছে, কিন্তু মই যদি এটা সাইন টু ৰাইট সাইডত লৈ যাওঁ, এটা পাই বাই 2 মাইনাস সাইন ইনভার্স অফ x মানে cos ইনভার্স x পাম, কিন্তু ইয়াত আকৌ 2 সাইন ইনভার্স x আছে, সেই কাৰণে কম্পেয়াৰ কৰা দিগদাৰ হৈ যাব, হয়নে? 2 সাইন ইনভার্স x ৰ ফৰ্মুলাটো আমি একো না জানো, সেই কাৰণে আমি মই কি কৰিলো, ইয়াতে ট্ৰিগোনোমেট্ৰিলে কনভাৰ্ট কৰি দিলো. Simple expression is sin inverse x, so I substituted sin inverse x equal to theta, which give you x equal to sin theta. এটা মই এই সাবস্টিটিউশন খিনি ফার্স্ট ইকুয়েশন টু সাবস্টিটিউট কৰি দিও so we'll get sin inverse x means what sin theta so 1 minus sin theta minus 2 sin inverse x is theta is equal to pi by 2 now I bring this to the right side which become pi by 2 plus 2 theta কিয় নিছু বাৰু গম পাইছানে পিছৰ বাৰ মই যেটা sin লৈ যাম মই এসোসিয়েটেড ভ্যালুজ বোৰ ইউজ কৰিব পাৰিম হয়নে সেই কাৰণে মই এটো নিলু নিয়াৰ পিছত মই sin inverse to right side লৈ গলো sin of pi by 2 plus theta হৈ গল এটা pi by 2 plus theta মানে কি কনভার্ট কৰিব পাৰো এটো কোনটো কোয়াড্রেন্টত আছে pi by 2 plus theta is in the second quadrant ASTC rule apply কৰিলে আমি পাম পজিটিভ odd multiple of 90 কাৰণে cos হল আৰু এংগল টো হৈ গল 2 theta এটা সোয়া 1 minus sin theta আছে আৰু 2 cos of 2 theta কো আমি sin ত কনভার্ট কৰিব পাৰো cos of 2 theta টো আমাৰ চাৰিটা ফর্ম আছে ফর্মুলাৰ তাৰে আমি sin inverse sin square থকাটো ইউজ কৰিলো 1 minus 2 sin square x এটা ক্যান্সেল কৰিলো 1 1 এটু লেফটত লৈ আহিলো তাৰ পিছত মই sin theta কমন ললো ফ্যাক্টৰাইজ কৰিলো because our aim is to get the value of theta তো আমি sin theta is equal to পালো 0 আৰু এটু is equal to 0 পালো sin theta 0 হলে আমি কি পালো sin theta মানে আকৌ কি বহাইছিল আকৌ কনভার্ট কৰিব নালাগে আৰু x পাই গলা x equal to 0 পালো just a minute okay ইয়াতে আমি সোয়া will have what x equal to 0 after that so here you see you have got sin theta is equal to 0 that is x equal to 0 because sin theta value you have substituted here it is equal to x okay on this expression when I put x, sin theta is equal to we'll have what half that means x value is equal to half in this question I have shown you that putting different values of x equal to 0 I have substituted on the LHS left hand side and x equal to also half on the LHS we see that 0 gives you on the left hand side when I put x equal to 0 it gives you sin inverse of 1 minus 0 2 sin inverse of 0 and doing the calculation we got it pi by 2 when we put x equal to half on the left hand side it gives you sin x equal here the right hand side we have got the calculated value is minus pi by 6 which is not equal to the right hand side okay so required value is equal to what 0 so similar way this is one more solved question you can do it yourself here what is the formula we have to use hope you understand this you take as x and this as y and apply tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y formula after it bring tan inverse to the right side it become tan of pi by 4 and 1 you put then do the calculation of ordinary algebraic form next you see we will do some questions like this find the values of the following solve for hope you understand find the values of the following first question tan inverse 2 cos 2 sin inverse of half you see as I told you earlier মই আগতে তোমালোকক কৈছো কেতিয়াবা আমি ফর্মুলা এপ্লাই কৰিব লাগে যদি জানে ডাইৰেক্টলি নহলে সাবস্টিটিউশন কৰিব পাৰা সাবস্টিটিউশনত তো আহিবই কিন্তু ফর্মুলা কৰিলে আমাৰ কোৱেশ্চনছ বোৰ অকমান সিম্পল হয় সো পাৰিলে ফর্মুলা ইউজ কৰিবা here you see we know the value of half sin value is half when sin of pi by 4 pi by 2 6 so I keep all these things as it is and use the value of half that is equal to sin pi by 6 since here we have sin inverse that's why I use here sin এটা sin inverse আছে কাৰণে মই sin use কৰিছো তাৰ পিছত এখিনি as it is ৰাখিছো এটো আমি sin inverse sin theta হৈ গলে কিমান হয় theta হৈ যায় pi by 6 হল ক্যালকুলেশন কৰিলো 2 আৰু 6 ক্যান্সেল গল pi by 3 পালো হৈ গল তোমালোকৰ cos pi by 3 what is the value of cos pi by 3 cos pi by 3 is equal to half putting the value we got 2 into half cancelling we get it 1 tan inverse of 1 when tan value is 1 pi by 4 so this is equal to 1 so without substitution we have got the answer or if you want you can do the substitution for this directly if you cannot do you can substitute sin inverse of half equal to theta or a and do the calculation like that keneko koribo para এটা question soa cot of tan inverse a plus cot inverse a this is a formula we got it tan inverse x plus cos inverse x if both our values are x same the value we can write down pi by 2 so here a and a is same okay so since tan and cot inverse sum is there so we can write down it as pi by 2 then cot pi by 2 value is equal to 0 after that see the next question these are simple questions tan half sin inverse of twice x by 1 plus x square cos x by 1 minus y square by 1 plus y square if you see properly this is a formula Last one, that is 2 tan inverse of x. This is also a formula, 2 tan inverse of y. So I have directly substituted the values. 2 tan inverse x, this is also 2 tan inverse y. 2 I have taken common, 2 and half cancel out. Inside bracket we have got tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Again this is a standard formula. Tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. Tan and tan inverse if you remove, you will get what? X plus y by x minus y. This is the solution, the value of this question. After that, the next one, sine of pi by 3 minus sine inverse of minus half. Again we know half is the standard value. There is a standard value for sine half. Sine value half ketia hoy tumalkor pi by 6 ot hoy, kintu tumar negative thakile nohobo. So yate moi ki korilu, sine inverse minus x or formula use korilu. What is the formula of sine inverse minus x? Minus sine inverse x. So it become minus minus plus sine inverse x, keeping the rest as it is. Sine inverse pi by 2, here I have used the value of half, sine pi by 6. Okay, sine inverse sine pi by 6 give you pi by 6. Simplification does x, 6 is the LCM, doing the calculation it become pi by 2, and sine pi by 2 value is equal to 1. This question you see, directly formula can be applied, so I have do it directly. This one also. First, if you see the question, tan inverse root 3, cot inverse minus root 3. Tan and cot inverse, similar value is there, but difference, the problem is that negative sign. So use this negative formula and convert into positive. Cot inverse of minus root 3 can be written as pi minus cot inverse of root 3. Because you know the formula, cot inverse of minus x is what? Pi minus cos inverse of x. Then open the bracket, this is minus, it is positive. Take this together, tan inverse root 3, cot inverse root 3 minus pi by pi. Pi by 2 minus pi, this is pi by 2. So calculated value is minus pi by 2. Okay, now go to this question. Here you say tan of sine inverse 3 by 5 plus cot inverse 3 by 2. These are not standard values. So I have to use substitution. Sine inverse 3 by 5, I have name it as A, that give you sine A is equal to 3 by 2. So as this is tan, our aim is to get the value of tan. That's why you find out the value of cos. Cos is 1 minus sine square. Put the value. Calculated value is 4 by 5. So tan is equal to what? Sine by cos. Substituting, we'll get the value of tan is 3 by 4. So we get the value of A. A means tan inverse this, because then that means in the place of sine inverse of 3 by 5, we can write down tan inverse of 3 by 4. Similarly, you see cot inverse is there. Cot is the reciprocal of tan. So it can be written as tan inverse of 3 by 2, which is 2 by 3. Then here this is the given expression. Both of them convert in terms of tan, you see. This is A means this one. Then apply the formula of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. That is tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. Okay. Doing the calculation, we have got tan inverse of 17 by 16. And then tan inverse of tan theta gives you theta. So the value is equal to 17 by 6. After that you see, the next question, this is not from your textbook. Sec square tan inverse of 2 plus cosec square cot inverse of 3 is equal to 15. Here also see, as I told you, if standard value is there, use the formula directly. If not standard value, substitute. Eto to standard na hoy, he karne eta substitute kori dia. Tan inverse of 2 is equal to A, that give you tan A is equal to 2. Eto standard na hoy, okay, cot inverse of 3 is equal to B, cot B is equal to 3. Substitution on the left side, we get it sec square A, cosec square B. Now as we know the value of tan and cot, and sec and cosec can be converted in terms of tan and cot. So convert it. This is equal to what? 1 plus tan square, and cosec is 1 plus cot square B. Substitute their values. Tan A means 2 square and cot B means 3 square. On calculation, we have got it 15, and which is your right hand side. Hope you understand this type of solution. Okay, the images of this video I had given in the description box. If you want, you can see there. Thank you.